Charger.
What up?
What's up, everybody? It's Randall
And Jose.
and we're at Mod Effects, and we have something new to show you. We have a brand new kit, first one in the city that we've done, and so we want to give you a quick walk around, let you see how it came out, and you be the judge if it's hot or not.
What kind of kit?
Plug and play.
What kind of plug and play?
With no instructions. So
damn.
we let Jose give y'all the walk around.
Alright, so we got this Widebody Kit now. It's available by Chrome and Carbon. It's got basically a front spoiler that's made for kind of like a Challenger, you would say. So they kind of based it off of that model widebody. Couple things I want to point out is this widebody does require cutting, so you do have to cut the fenders, a part of the bumper. In the rear, you have to do kind of like the back door panel, a little something, and the back bumper and the top of the fender. If you come in a little closer, you can see right here in this corner, you do have to make a little cut. Obviously, you would have to measure to the whatever size wheels you're going to have. Overall, the kit is pretty nice. We did have one little mishap where the extensions are not here yet. We had the ones for an RT. However, they're gonna. Mike said he's gonna replace those with the Scat Pack ones. So we'll get that. He does have spacers now. Prior to the first video, I don't know if you guys noticed it, but it was in about 2 inches. Now it has about 1.5 inch spacers until he get his new wheels.
Come show the spacers in. So if you look in here, you see this black thing in the wheel. Get a little closer, Z. You can see it. So if you look in here in the wheel, you see this black spacer that's actually pushing this Belgian wheel out. He has a Belgian VMB9s. These are actually a 10-inch wide wheel, sit on a 295 tire, and so it pushes it out, gives it that wider look, and kind of makes it sit flush with the fender instead of being stuck in or whatever. So
one thing I am going to say about the spacers, make sure you get a hub-centric one, and make sure it's a type that bolts onto your hub, and then your actual studs bolt back onto the tires. You don't want to get that cheap shit. I think from the looks of everything, I don't know if you can't really get up close, but there will be probably some more pictures and videos, but it's pretty much cut all the way across to the very back till about right here. So that much cutting is required. The kit is cut to about here, but you're gonna have to cut here to fit the 22s with this wide of offset. Same thing with the door. Got to cut all the way up to here. This little corner. It does, some say that we should cut the door. We're not cutting the door. Obviously we got away with that, so you may have to be careful with that, because that actual filament right here, the little piece, basically lays right above it. Doesn't really puncture the tire though, but it's just enough to clearance. The kit is, the way they have it is all 3M tape. Obviously I went away from all 3M tape. I wound up putting brackets in a few of these with actual bolts and hardware. You can kind of make your own custom kit as you'd like. And I think, overall the car looks great. I like the way the kit looks. The wide body's not coming out till next year, so this is a perfect example of what a wide body is gonna look like.
one more thing too, on the last video we did with Anderson's car, we said he had the loudest Dodge Charger. 16B, you see 16B's car over there? He said he got some for him, so we gonna crank them both up and we're gonna see who got the loudest exhaust. So Anderson, go ahead and cut yours on and see what you're working with, brother.
Already.
I've been called out.
Dang. The loudest. What? Hey, no decibel meter? Yeah.
All right, now let's see what 6B working with. He has a Scat Pack charger. He also has, you got tray pipes, Sick?
Nah, 3-inch all the way. Got long tube headers, no cats, no resonators, no mufflers.
Pretty much the same setup on a 5.7 and a 6.4, so we're gonna see who sounds better.
I have a disadvantage right here. was the one against the wall.
Ah,
I'm gonna let it slide.
he
though.
said he's scared now. Uh-oh. Let's see, let's see.
Right next to me then.
No
Okay,
red
that
limit.
shit fucked up my ears, but now I can't tell the difference between the two because my ears is damaged.
Yeah, so they
No
both
rev
work with
limiter.
no rev
Oh,
limit.
you
Okay,
got no rev limit on yours.
there you go. That's the cheat code. No rev limit.
Uh-huh.
So yeah.
Well, you know what? You got the loudest 5.7 in Houston, and he has a 6.4 now. Okay, so there we go. We can take that. We
So
can take
Anderson, what do you think about the kit? You like it? You getting a lot of love from it on the
Yeah.
gram and everything?
Honestly, it's a pretty good kit, but let's not forget, because Jose got to do a lot of custom cuts just to make it fit the way it is right now. Just keep that in mind. You can go whatever you want to go, but that man right there, he make it work.
What you gonna do with the wheels? What color you gonna go? Give us a preview. What you got?
Next.
Gotcha. That's what's up. So we got some more coming for this one. So y'all stay tuned. We gonna keep putting them together, and thank y'all for watching.
Like, comment, and subscribe.